Hi you guys! Today I'm going to show you how to get your Instagram account back if it's been hacked, disabled, or deleted. There's a few different ways that you can do these things, so keep your phone in your hand so you can follow along. Let's jump right in. So when your Instagram account gets disabled, you actually won't be able to tell until you try to log in when Instagram sends you a little pop-up telling you that your account has been disabled. It'll be here on your login page. The only reason it's not giving me this option is because I'm still able to log into my account. But when you're here, it's going to give you a learn more button, and when you click on that, you're just going to follow the prompts to get your disabled account back or learn why your account was disabled. A number of reasons why it could have been. Instagram has a set of community guidelines that if you break them, your Instagram will immediately be disabled. This includes inappropriate language, nudity, graphic violence, etc. Sometimes, however, your Instagram can be flagged accidentally, and so it'd be really easy to recover your account. If your account has been flagged for a reason, it's going to be a little more difficult, however, it is still possible. So you have to pass the appeal process, and to do that, you will send this form in to Instagram. I'm going to throw up the link on the screen so that you guys can use it if you need it. What you're going to do is fill out this whole form, your name, email, Instagram username, number, and the reason. However, try not to apologize in the reasoning box at the bottom. It makes it look like it's your fault or that you are at fault. Keep it concise, keep it factual, and try not to make yourself look like you're in the wrong at all. Okay, if your Instagram was wrongfully flagged or disabled, passing the appeal process is going to be very easy. You send this in a couple of days, your Instagram will be back up and running. However, if you did violate the guidelines, getting your Instagram account back is going to be a little bit more difficult. However, it is still possible with this form. The only difference is you're going to have to send this form in a lot. The way Instagram works is when you send this form in, it's going to automatically be received and responded by a robot. It's an automatic response. It'll, go through, it's going to scan your account. However, once you've sent this form in enough times, you will finally get through to a Instagram representative or a real person. Once you do that, the chances of your account being reactivated are very high. So if your account has been deactivated, it's really simple to reactivate it. Literally, all you have to do is log back into your account on any device. If you're super inactive on Instagram, sometimes they'll deactivate your account themselves. There's also the option to deactivate it yourself on Instagram, which I know a lot of people do when they're taking a social media break. Same thing, the way to reactivate that account is to just log back into it. And if for some reason you forgot your password, in this login page, you have the option to recover your password or create a new one. The next thing we'll cover is what to do if your Instagram account has been hacked. So when your Instagram account is hacked, often the hacker will immediately change the email address. And when that email address is changed, Instagram will send you an email telling you that. If you've noticed that your Instagram account has been hacked right away, and if you find it quick enough, you can reverse that step. You can gain control of your Instagram account once again. But if you don't find that email in time, there are other ways that you can get your Instagram account back. To do this, you're going to go to forget password. You're going to type in your username. You'll click try another way, and then no longer have access to these. It's going to show you another way. You're going to follow the steps, and it's going to show you another way to recover your Instagram account. As for deleted accounts, unfortunately you cannot recover those. Once they've been deleted, you've lost the account. The good news is you can create a new account, and since that old account has been deleted, you can use that Instagram username if it hasn't been taken already. Hopefully it hasn't. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching, you guys. That was a whole lot of information, but I hope that it was helpful and you can use it or pass it on to somebody else who needs it. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next video.